Hey, what's up videos? What's up videos? What's up guys? This video should be pretty fun. Speaking of videos, I'm about to hit 50,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which is amazing. This whole experience of being a YouTuber, it's not something I ever anticipated or expected, but it's been such a cool experience. It's been such a fun journey, you know, talking to you guys and just learning together all about radar detectors and laser jammers and dash cams. And yeah, this has just been a really cool experience, and I'm super grateful to all of you guys for helping make this experience so fun for me. And I've really just been enjoying testing and sharing and learning and making as much of this information available to all of you. And in celebration of almost hitting 50,000 subscribers, I want to do another giveaway for you guys. We're going to be giving away yet another one of Thinkware's flagship dash cams, the Q800 Pro. I gave one of these away recently, and we're going to be doing another one, this time for not a single channel dash cam, but a 2-channel version, so both front and back. You can head on over to my website and you'll find the entry form on where you can enter. There's a bunch of different ways to enter to help increase your odds. And for those of you guys not familiar with the dash cam, it's again one of Thinkware's flagships, so records in 1440p for the front, 1080p for the rear. It's got GPS and Wi-Fi and cloud integration and all the bells and whistles. So you know, one of the best dash cams available on the market. A big thank you to Thinkware for providing the dash cam, and Black Box My Car for helping make the giveaway happen. Speaking of which, they're also doing some new bundles. So for those of you guys who want a radar detector and a dash cam, they're actually doing bundles now for different radar detectors, dash cams, accessories like your batteries for parked recording capabilities, the wiring harnesses, circular polarizers, upgraded memory cards, all that kind of stuff. So they've got a bunch of different bundles, and I'll link to those in the video description too. And if you want to pick one up, you can use the coupon code Vortex25 and it'll save $25 off any one of those bundles. Now, speaking of YouTube and all, it's kind of interesting timing to be doing a video about like, yay, videos in YouTube, because my wife is just about to give birth to our daughter. She is 38 weeks pregnant right now, so we're less than 2 weeks away from the due date, and she could literally show up at pretty much any point. And I mean, I'm kind of mentally starting to check out a little bit just because we're so excited for that, you know, and getting ready. The car seat is ready in the car. The back of the car already has the hospital bags and the diaper bags. The nursery is done. So we're just getting ready for contractions to start, for her to go into labor. So I'm so focused on that it's honestly kind of hard to really stay focused on the videos and stuff, but there's still a bunch of things going on. And so one of the things that I've been doing lately is on my website, you'll find a lot of new content there. So for example, you'll find my review of the Uniden R7 that I just finished, as well as a comparison of all the best laser jammers currently available on the market, plus the not so good ones, so you can see how all of them compare. So in addition to all the YouTube videos, they tend to take a lot of time to create, to shoot like this, to edit, to capture the B-roll, all that kind of stuff. So a video that may take me 3 days, let's say, to do a video review or comparison, I could knock out in less than a day online, and it's a lot easier to kind of like start and stop that kind of thing when I'm busy with other stuff. And so there's definitely going to be a lot of things going on the website. Amazon Prime Day is coming up with deals on dash cams and radar detectors, so I'll keep you guys posted there. And then also, speaking of which, especially once the baby is born, I'm not really planning on being super active, especially in the beginning with making videos, because we're going to be so busy with her. You know, I'm sure with my extra little free time, I'm going to be wanting to sleep and not shoot videos. And so because it's faster to maybe post things on Facebook or just write up an article instead of shoot an entire video, I'm definitely going to be having a lot of content available that way. So make sure you take a look, vortexradar.com or Vortex Radar on Facebook. You'll find me there too. But yeah, there's lots of exciting stuff going on. Everything's from giveaways to new reviews and comparisons and videos and babies and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, just wanted to say a big thank you to being a part of this and making it fun for me too, and I'm glad to hear, and I'm hoping, of course, that you guys are enjoying it too. So again, as always, thank you so much for watching. Say it at the end of every video. Super grateful to you guys. And yeah, I guess that's it for now. Hopefully see you in another video. If not, I'll be busy with the baby stuff, and you'll be able to find me when I'm working on stuff. I'm sure I'm not going to have a ton of time, but you'll find me on Facebook, website. I'll be posting articles and stuff. Probably a lot fewer and a lot less often, but you will be finding them there until I start getting back into the regular swing of things with videos and all the typical stuff that we do here. So anyway, again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video, whenever that happens to be.